Another major twist in the Poe Hall saga. A group of NC State alumni and students are claiming the university altered or even destroyed evidence tied to the chemical contamination in the building. This is coming from people who worked and taught inside Poe Hall and are now battling cancer. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Ashley Rowe.
And I'm Gerald Owens. New tonight, a former student is asking the legal system to intervene and stop NC State from doing any work at Poe Hall. Live on your sides, Keely Arthur is live on campus after speaking with her today. Keely, what do we know about this new development?
This, as you know, goes far beyond just one student. For years, hundreds of people have wondered if the chemical contamination inside Poe Hall right behind me caused their cancer. Today, this petition filed in court alleges that the university has made it more difficult to answer that question.
What are they up to? What are they up to?
That's
Because
Sandy
again,
Alford. She's just one of 400 or more people who claim NC State's contaminated building Poe Hall made them sick. Alford is battling breast cancer, and now the university. A petition filed on her behalf states she has, quote, reason to believe evidence underlying her claim that Poe Hall gave her cancer may have been altered, modified, or destroyed by the university. Alford points to these photos taken September 9th showing work being done at the building.
Once our clients had to walk by that building and see the tarps, the tents, and the work trucks, we had an obligation to say, what's going on?
When questioned, NC State Chancellor Kevin Howell responded 2 days later saying, quote, the activity is part of the sampling required ahead of remediation of the building. Sampling of building materials is standard practice before building remediation plans are developed. But Alford's attorneys, Ben Whitley and Brian Bryce, say a pattern of denying public records requests and perceived lack of transparency from the university have made that hard to trust.
We need to make sure that there is evidence inside the building that's not being tampered with or destroyed. Make no mistake, our clients want to see Poe Hall torn down and rebuilt with a new clean building. It is a toxic, sick building and needs to be taken down. But not allowing us to understand the information that's inside the building is critical to the health of all 400 plus of our clients who've suffered from exposure to toxic PCBs in the building.
I need to sit with my oncologist and have a conversation. Can you just please give me an answer, whether it's through a records request, it's through sitting down and having a face-to-face conversation, you put it on a website. I don't care. I just need to know.
These folks have wanted to know for so long. I want to be This petition stops short of saying that NC State has tampered with evidence. It's essentially saying, look, we don't know what happened on September 9th, but we want to. It's asking the courts to get involved so everything can be on the up and up. A spokesperson from NC State tells me that they are aware of this court filing and they support anyone's ability to file in court. This is a big update to a big story. You can find more information on WRAL.com. Reporting live at NC State, Keely Arthur, WRAL News.